Hello students, in my previous video I taught you how to subtract the number within 10. Okay, now the next topic of subtraction is subtracting 1. So student, when we subtracting 1 from a number gives the number just before given number. For example, 4 minus 1. So, student, first of all, tell me what comes before 4. Very good. 3. 3 comes before 4. Okay, but you have to draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to subtract or cut one line here. Now how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3. Now what's the answer? The answer is 3. So when we subtracting 1 from a number gives the number just before the given number. So 3 is just before 4. Now 5 minus 1. What comes before 5? 4. Very good. The answer is 4. If you want to cross check, then draw 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now subtract or cross one line here and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Now student, 8 minus 1. So what comes before 8? The answer is 7. Very good. So if you want to cross check your answer, then draw 8 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now cut one line here and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Now student, 7 minus 1. So what comes before 7? The answer is 6. 6 comes before 7. If you want to cross check your answer, then draw 7 line first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now cut one line here and then count the rest of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now subtracting 0. So student, when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. For example, Diksha's mother gave her 2 bananas to eat, but she did not eat any banana. How many bananas are left with Diksha? So student, Diksha's mother gave her 2 bananas, but she did not eat any banana. So that means 0. And as you know, there is no value of 0. So you have to write 2 as it is. Okay? So students, when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Now students, see some more examples of subtracting 0. So student, 5 minus 0 is equals to 5 because 0 has no value. Now 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. Now example number 4 is 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. Very good. Now student, subtracting a number from itself. For example, let's take the example of Diksha's mother. Okay, now Diksha gave both the bananas to her friend. So how many bananas are left with her? Student, as you know, Diksha's mother gave her 2 bananas to eat, but Diksha gave both the bananas to her friend. So how many bananas are left with Diksha? So 2 minus 2. Students, you have to draw here 1, 2 lines. Now you have to cut both the lines. Now what we get? We get 0. So student, when we subtracting a number from itself gives 0. Again, subtracting a number from itself gives 0. Now some more example of subtracting a number from itself. So student, 9 minus 9. So student, draw here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how many lines you have to cut? 9 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are cut here. Now how many lines are left? 0 lines. So what we get? We get 0. Now here 5 minus 5, that is 0. And again 1 minus 1, that is 0. If you want to cross check your answer, then 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now if you want to cross check your answer, then you have to draw 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many lines are you have to cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many lines are left here? 0 lines. Okay, now 1 minus 1. That is, you have to draw 1 line and then cut 1 line. Now how many lines are left? 0. So the answer is 0. Hope you understand, students.